Hello guys, welcome to a video on volume profile. So in this video we will know how to use a volume profile and how to trade breakouts. Let's go to the table of contents. We will study about high volume node, low volume node, consolidation, breakouts, how to trade them, fake outs, how to avoid them, and then we will go through some case studies. So what exactly is a volume profile? As you see in the picture, a high volume node is formed and price is ranging in between that high volume node. Once the price goes out of this high volume node, you can see price is easily moving. This low volume node is known as a low volume node. So let us see this in detail. There are two kinds of volume nodes. One is a high volume node and one is a low volume node. A high volume node are peaks in volume at and around price levels. High volume node can be seen as an indicator of price of consolidation. You will see the price is moving in a range when that is in a high volume node. So basically it is a fight between the buyers and sellers. A high volume node is generally considered to be a fair value area. Once price moves out of this high volume node, price actually travels very fast. That node is actually known as a low volume node because they are just the opposite of high volume node. These nodes are actually an unfair value area. That's why you see price moving very fast through them to find again a fair value area. Low value area nodes are usually a result of breakdown or a breakout rally. Let us see this in detail. You can see a period of relative sideways trading along the support line. This narrow range area is a high volume node. You can see a red line which is known as the point of control. This is the area which has a maximum volume. Once price move out of this high volume node, you can see price actually rallying because this is a low volume node and price is unfair at this node. Before moving further, if you're enjoying the content, please like our channel because it really helps us the channel. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. So now let us see how to trade consolidation, breakouts and fakeouts. As you see, consolidation is nothing but formation of a high volume node. So on TV or on some video you must have heard what that price is consolidating. What exactly price is doing that it is forming a high volume node. So unless and until that high volume node is breached, the price will consolidate. Breakout will be confirmed only when high volume node is breached. There are times many times people trade the breakouts and they fail. The reason of the failures of breakout is because price has not broken out of the high volume node. And if the price is not breaking of the high volume node, the breakout will fail and reverse. We will see all this in action. So now let us see some case studies in which we will see how a high volume node and low volume nodes actually work. So below is the chart of Reliance. You can see there was a breakout in Reliance and this was a very bullish candle. The volume was also very large on this breakout candle. So many retail traders will trade this and sooner than you think the price reversed. And so many people will have taken this trade and their stop loss hit. So let us see if we apply a volume profile on this chart and see how we can prevent taking such trades. So as you see, once a volume node profile indicator is applied, you can see price never breach out of the high volume node. So as long as price in this zone, you should not trade on the buy side. Once the price moves away from this high volume node, you can see price moving very swiftly. This is because the value area is now unfair because price has moved from a high volume node, and in the low volume node price moves very swiftly. So this is a perfect example of breakdown, and you can see how a volume node indicator has helped you in this. I think now the things are getting clearer. Let us see some more examples. This is the chart of Nifty. You can see a clear breakdown from this area, and now whether this is genuine breakout or fake out, because at the while forming the breakout candle, we don't know that this price action has happened. So the only way to tell whether this is a true breakout is by applying volume profile indicator. In the same chart, now if we apply the volume indicator, you can see price has moved from a high volume node area. So this breakout seems to be genuine and we should trade it. And you can see price soon rallies from this high node area to a low volume area. Because now the price is unfair and it will soon find a fair value area. Let us see the case of Bank Nifty. You can see again, once the price moves from a high volume area to a low volume area, price rapidly moves away. This is a concept that can be applied to every index, every stock, because this is the simple concepts of price volume action. Let us see another case study of Vodafone India. Few days ago, Vodafone Idea has rallied from a price of 11 to 16 in within 3-4 days. The reason of this fast movement was because the price actually has moved from a high volume node. So and now a new value area is generated in this. Once the price has moved from the high volume node, this breakout is real, and you can see price rallying from this point. I hope now the things are more clear. So that's it in this video. Thanks, and if you have any questions, comment and I will get back to you. Thank you.